Okay, guys, it's day 17 of our Binance Smart Chain meme coin buying challenge using DCA for PHT and other meme coins. Okay, so yesterday we actually bought an altcoin, Kilo. This is right here. Okay, so actually, this challenge is mainly uh, on meme coins. Okay, so but not because it's merely on meme coins won't take advantage of some other opportunity. So if we see, altcoins with great potential, we are definitely going to buy, so that all the coins or assets we have won't be just meme coins alone. So let's mix it up with some altcoins. Okay, so we already have one altcoin, Kilo. Okay, so and today we are going to sell this LS cards. Okay, so now I want you guys to know that we are not going to be emotional. Okay, so LS cards has been dropping massively. So and I was like, no, this is not normal. Okay, so and the only way you can think like that is if you are not emotional and if you are not emotionally attached to any project. So all these meme coins you are buying, we are not going to be emotionally attached to any of them. Okay, so if we keep buying a particular meme coin, it's not because we are emotionally attached to it, because technically we see that okay, it's something that we can be buying. Especially this PhD that we've been buying, technically is something that we can keep buying. Okay, all right. So and if I see that technically we have to uh wait. Okay, we do what? We wait, because you know like we must be technical. All right, okay, like everything technically, not being emotion. Okay, like not doing things with emotions, you understand? So Kilo, we bought it based on technical. All right, let's scout now. We bought it based on technical, but now we're also going to be selling it based on technical and fundamental. The fundamental aspect is that I checked Twitter and I discovered that the team behind LS cards, they have created version 2. Okay, which simply means that this one that we bought, okay, will become an old contract. Okay, so this V2 become the new one, so they will be releasing a new contract address, and people will start buying the new, and they will dump this. Okay, so it's already dumping. Okay, because if you check the chart, you can see that LS card has really dropped massively. Okay, so look at it. Okay, we bought here, we bought here, we bought here. Look at it. So we are going to sell, we don't care. Okay, if we take a loss on it, all right, it doesn't matter. Okay, for as long as we don't get emotionally attached, all right, to it. So I'm gonna click on BNB. So we are selling this. So if you also bought what's it called, LS cards, make sure you sell it right now. I think I'm going to announce this on the Telegram group and the WhatsApp group that you should sell. So if you are not on the Telegram group and the WhatsApp group, make sure you join. Okay, very, very important. Okay, so I just sold the LS card. Okay, need to swap. All right, so after selling this LS card, now we buy PHT. Okay, so after buying PHT, then buy another meme coin. All right, so let's buy PHT as usual. All right, 0.004, no, 0.005. Okay, I understand. So then another thing Okay, another thing here is, any of these meme coins right here, if anyone happens to, multiply maybe 2x, 3x, 4x, we are going to sell at least 50 to 70% of it. Okay, so we'll be able to reserve some funds, all right, to take advantage to even buy more PHT and other altcoins. Then also, I think I'll be making videos on altcoins to buy too. So it won't just be this Binance Smart Chain meme coin challenge video alone. So altcoins that you can buy like for trading, because what we are actually doing here now is actually investing. Okay, so for trading, I'll be making videos on that. Okay, altcoins that you can buy maybe in less than 24 hours, you make profit, you sell, and you'll be able to get more funds to be able to buy PHT and other meme coins that we are going to be buying. So if you love that, if you're interested in that, let me know in the comment section. All right, so and stay tuned, watch out for that. All right, so now let's go and buy the next meme coin. So it's gonna be DeFi Tiger. So the current market cap is $1.1 million. So, and don't forget, all these altcoins you are buying, they have the potential to 100x. Okay, so if this one gets to 100 million market cap, that's automatic 100x. So we are gonna click copy to copy the contract address. But before we go and buy, let's check the chart as well. Okay, so don't forget, we are also checking the chart to see what's up. Okay, now this has been increasing. Okay, so and the price could actually get here. Okay, so I don't know, maybe after this one now, any other meme coin that we are going to buy, if I see that it's retracing and I see that okay, it has the potential to get to so level, maybe we'll just wait for it to get to that level before we buy. Because let's say this LS card, mostly all these coins I've been marking out a kind of levels where I know the price could actually get to technically. Okay, not based on feelings or emotions. Let's forget about that. So let's just buy this DeFi Tiger now. Okay, so anyone we're gonna be buying, once we check the chart, we see that okay, it's been retracing and it has the potential to get to pull back further, or to get for the price to get lower. We'll just wait. Okay, so even if it is just to buy PHT alone for that day, we'll just buy and we'll wait. Or else, if we see an altcoin that we can buy that the market cap is actually less than, let's say, $10 million, okay, and it has a great potential, we'll buy. You understand? So let's click on BNB, click on swap, and we're gonna paste. Yeah, since we have DeFi Tiger, okay, we have DeFi Tiger. So I don't know, but seems this DeFi Tiger, we have been earning it for free. Okay, so this is like a free reward, like a reward. Okay, just like we've been earning wiki cards as a reward for free. So, but this time around, let's just buy BNB, and don't forget wiki card too. We are going to buy wiki card very soon, because as I said in my previous videos, once wiki card market cap is $100 million, we'll start buying using DCA. All right, so let's not rely on the wiki card we are getting for free just by holding PHT. Right, so I'm going to click on buy with 0.02. Right, swap. I understand. Then the slippage of this transaction is 13%. So I think after this DeFi Tiger, any meme coin that the transaction fee is above 10%, we are not going to be buying. Okay, so it doesn't really make sense. Like that, like 13%. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much. So we've bought DeFi Tiger. So that's it. So guys, let me know if you have any question. Drop them in the comment section. Okay, I'll read the comments and provide solution if you have any problem. Okay, so I can make video to like make video based on that your comment to explain if there's anything you don't understand. All right, so thank you very much, guys. I'll see you guys until next time. Peace out.